Thinking about selling your home on your own? Before you go full DIY, let's talk about what a Realtor registered trademark actually brings to the table in today's market. I've got 10 solid reasons why teaming up with a real estate pro might just be your smartest move this year. First up, market expertise you can count on. Realtor's registered trademark have access to up-to-date, hyper-local market data. That means I can help you price your home competitively. Not too high to scare off buyers, not too low to leave money on the table. In 2024, over 89% of sellers used an agent because getting the price right matters. Next, skilled negotiators. Negotiating isn't just about the price, it's about timing, inspections, repairs, and sometimes even furniture. I help you navigate all of that calmly and strategically. Your time matters. Between work, family, and life, showing your home to buyers can become a full-time job. I handle all that: scheduling, follow-ups, and even those last-minute Saturday appointments. Access to off-market listings. Some homes never hit Zillow. I often have the inside scoop on homes coming soon, or sellers willing to entertain an offer quietly. That's the kind of network buyers and sellers can't access alone. Marketing that sells. Buyers today scroll listings the way people used to flip through magazines. You need professional photos, staging tips, video tours, and targeted online ads. I've got you covered. Inspection support. When the buyer comes back with that inspection report, it can get overwhelming. I help you make sense of it, negotiate fair solutions, and keep the deal moving. A trusted local network. Need a plumber, title company, or a moving crew that doesn't ghost you? I've got a go-to list of professionals that I've worked with and trust. Stress-free closings. Closings involve paperwork, deadlines, legal docs. It's a lot. I guide you through every step from contract to keys. Objective advice. When emotions run high, I help keep the focus on your end goals. It's my job to keep you level-headed and make sure you don't overpay or walk away from a great offer. And finally, homes sell faster with an agent. Bottom line, homes listed with Realtor's registered trademark sell faster and for more. In fact, according to NAR, agent-assisted homes sold for a median of $310,000, while FSBO homes only reached $225,000 in 2023. That's an $85,000 difference. So, if you're serious about buying or selling in today's market, don't go it alone. Let's talk about how I can help you make the most of your move. Call, text, or DM me, your Realtor registered trademark, for real results. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more real estate tips.